So let's talk about surface area. What is surface area exactly? Well, surface area just means the amount of surface that is making up this shape. So basically, all you have to do with surface area is add up all the shapes possible. But just be aware that sometimes if it's a box and you have to be careful, does it have a lid or not? If it doesn't have a cover or lid, then you don't need this top section. That's all you need to remember about surface area. And then there's the only special thing. Because if you expand a sphere, you will get a circle, and a rectangle. Because this face, side is actually just a rectangle, and then its length equals to the circumference of the circle or the perimeter. And then the width is just the height of the circle. This is, and if you expand a cone, you will get something like this, which we wouldn't really worry about. No, this section is like this. You won't get this. You'll get something similar to this. This is a curve. This is called a sector, and then you get theta, which is the angle, and you because really that's a sector of a circle, which is like this. This is the center, and then this is your sector. See, and then this is theta. So basically, how do you calculate the area of these? You calculate the area of the circle and then times it by theta over 360, which is the ratio of the amount of space this is taking. Yeah, this is surface area. Surface area is pretty straightforward. All you have to remember is what shape is actually this, what shape it actually is, and how many sides do I need to have? Are there any missing sides? Always double check.